Students, let us move to the last part of this lesson. Do you know? In order for peace to spread worldwide means in all over the world, and for nations to be able to strive for the development of their people, 21st September has been designated by the UN, means United Nations Organization, as International Peace Day. That means when do we celebrate International Peace Day? On 21st September every year. On this day, in New York, where is New York? It is in America, United States of America, where the United Nations have their headquarters. A bell is rung at 10 o'clock in the morning. This is followed by a few moments of silence. Silence is maintained for few moments. This bell has been made from coins given by people from around 60 nations. That means 60 nations have contributed their coins to make that bell. If you would like to know more about this, visit the following website. So find out information about International Peace Day and United Nations Organization and write in your notebook. So you must remember, if there is peace in the family, the school and society, everyone will benefit. Peace contributes significantly to progress. It creates scope for advances in various fields like business, industry, education, art, literature, entertainment, science and technology. In this way, peace becomes a social value rather than a personal need. If there is society is in peace, condition of peace, so if there is peace in the family or society or in public life, we can achieve a great in our day-to-day life. Our country will achieve progress in every field. What we have learned, everyone has a responsibility to solve problems in civic life. We must behave properly. We should not create problems as far as possible. Problems can be solved if everyone cooperate. Cooperation is very important. What do you mean by cooperation? Helping each other. Dialogue and discussion can help solve disputes. We should discuss each other for solving disputes. Disputes can be solved peacefully. If there is peace in the family, school and society, everyone benefits. Peace is a social value.